Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can upgrade coach and staff in Madden 27 franchise. It's pretty easy. Just open your franchise and here we gotta go to coach central tab. You should be able to see the option my staff. Select that. Here you have your coach and other staff. So whomever you would like to upgrade, you just have to go to the abilities tab, and in the abilities tab you can simply select the one whom you would like to upgrade. Here you have offensive, then player development, personal, and all these available options. On whichever part you would like to upgrade your coach or staff, simply select that. Then you will see the option upgrade ability, and this will take us 20 staff points. So if you are ready, simply select yes, and yeah, you can see we have successfully upgraded. Next we can go to the staff, and let's say I wanna upgrade this one. I can press X on PlayStation and A on Xbox. Simply select yes, and yeah, it is that easy to upgrade your coach or staff. Besides that, you also have tab for play sheets and goals in case if you want to check this out. But yeah, that's it. This is how you'll able to upgrade your staff and coach in Madden 27. Hope this would help out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.